Are you ignoring your About section on your YouTube channel? This could be costing you views and subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be writing in your About section. Welcome back to another episode of Tips with Trina, where I help you do YouTube better. And one way to do YouTube better is just to make sure you have everything set up on the back end. That's why I kicked off this series called Quick Fix Friday over the summer to help you do quick fix to see instant wins. Now, my one request is that when you do that quick fix, let me know down in the comments section that you went ahead and made that change, because this is something you can do really quick. Today, I'm going to share with you what to be putting in your About section. So you might be wondering, why does it even care? Does anybody even see it? Here's the thing. The benefit in really having a crafted About section is that those first couple lines on your About section show up multiple places on YouTube that you might not even realize. That's your opportunity to pitch your channel to somebody that may not watch any of your content or visit your channel. The first thing that you should be adding to that About section should be something that grabs your target audience's attention. You want them to know what you're all about in those first couple of lines, since that is what pops up when people hover over your channel icon or when your channel shows up in YouTube search. This is your big pitch. This is your chance to tell them why they need to come watch your content. You also want to make sure you're adding some of those keywords that you put into your channel keywords. So for example, some of my keywords are get started on YouTube, use YouTube in your business, YouTube tips. So those first two sentences for me should really be incorporating those keywords that I want my channel to rank for. Same for you. What is your content about? What is your channel about? What are those keywords that you really want to show up for? You should be incorporating them to those first two sentences in your About section. From there, you may want to add things that really validate your authority. So if you're certified in something, if you have a certificate in something, just a validation on you know what you're talking about. No worries if you don't have any of that, that's totally okay. You may also want to let them know how to get in contact with you. If they have a question, if they want to work with you, if they want to do a brand deal with you, let them know where that they can find you. And finally, you need to let them know when you're uploading. That's why it's so important to have a consistent upload schedule so that they can see in your About section that this channel uploads every Wednesday at 9 a.m. I know I'm going to remember to come back and watch their video at 9 a.m. And I also know that they're being consistent. They're telling me they're going to post at 9 a.m. every Wednesday. So I'm going to subscribe so that I don't miss anything. Now let's make sure the rest of your YouTube settings are set up to drive more traffic to your channel. Make sure you watch the video that's on your screen right now where I walk through the most important settings to change on your YouTube channel to drive even more traffic to your videos. I'll see you over there.